Hello lovely audience, welcome back to another quick tutorial of Quick Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you verify your Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Facebook account. And after opening the Facebook, simply click to this 3 bar into the top right corner to go into menus. From there, click to gear icon and go to settings. Now after coming to settings, you can see this Meta account center into the top of your settings. Just simply click into that in order to verify your Facebook account. Now after coming to the account center of Facebook, you will see the Meta Verify option just below the Meta Pay if the feature will be available into your region. But it is not showing into mine because that feature might not be available into my region. So in that case, we can use another way here. Now you just simply have to open Instagram and go to the linked account into this profile. And from there, you can see this Meta Verified option into the account center of Instagram. It is the same thing whether you do it on Facebook or Instagram if your account is linked. Now just simply click into this Meta Verified option here and then it shows you are on the waiting list. It means the feature is on the way. It's not public yet. Whenever the feature will be public, Meta will inform you. Just simply click into this OK button. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.